the both of us. We risked it all, we gambled both our hearts on love. So here we are, too mad to stay, too sad to leave.
Hello my jelly bean and gingerbread. So I'm making my way back into the city now. I'm going over my friend Maya. She's going shopping, so we're going to watch a movie and things like that. So I'm making her way now. So I made it over to Jamaica station. I don't know exactly where I am, but I know I'm in that area. There is mostly lots of stuff like downtown Jamaica where I have people vending outside and all of that. I'm in the movie theater right now downstairs and I'm waiting for my friend Maya. It doesn't seem like she finished do her ear yet, but I'm just waiting for her here until she finishes. But this is just a view of outside. It's just a small view, as you can see. It's not bad. It's like a nice intersection and stuff like that. So this is where I'm waiting until she come back. I would think she'll come and find me from her hairdo or wherever she is. But yeah, then I'll show you guys some more of where I am. Journey with me. Alright, note to self. Anytime a female say them do them here again, never you wait on them. Maya, just call me, you know. And I hope you watch this, Maya. Just call me and I'll know she can show up. I'm there for about 5 hours waiting on Maya, you know. Not really 5 hours, but it's been a while. Still waiting. Still waiting. So, yeah. Note taking. Hopefully she get here soon. Because it's 6 o'clock now. But it's alright. Flying her to the area she fix up and everything. Vlogging! Never again. Never again.
I'm really sorry.
Don't wait. If a woman says she's gonna do her hair, don't wait for her. Just because that's the whole day to do. From morning. From morning, you know. Take the train, everything and come over. See? After 6. But it's all good. It's all good.
Let's zoom out some of this to shine.
So right now the Jamaica Avenue one thing and
We're going to Burger King get 2 for 1.
anything. We broke pocket. I joke we make. But alright.
We're working every time.
Life is alright. We're there have some fun.
We didn't meet something like I'm real as Jamaican. I'm broken real life.
So we're going to check out this party place on Jamaica Avenue. They say it's have the best party, even better than Jamaican party.
I never eaten it.
So they say it's better than Jamaican party, but I have to try it out and thing. So yeah, gotta go over there and check it out and yeah, alright man. Yeah, you see the belly, you see the big old belly. You see the food. The food fat me out, watch it. But yeah, we just a sightsee, get some footage for the vlog and stuff like. Guess who me pass? Pretty boy fly.
Wait.
Run this
Don't
again.
go back now.
He might walk, but he might go somewhere. He might like him out pass. I mean, I say, who done that shades?
Pretty boy fly again.
Pretty boy fly, the comedian man.
Look up Chang, man.
No, the brown one. Pretty boy fly, man. Animal vlogs. Remember Pretty boy fly? IT Fancy Car, Pretty boy fly. All of them.
You know the other day, see me and my sister, Juki, you know Juki?
Oh, Juki.
Look at Juki. Your sister. Look, shirt and behind me. Juki, you're
Look at style man, dirty Juki.
I never mean to say dirty Juki, but I said dirty.
Ah! Oh my God.
Side view. Catch her on the vlog.
Why are you chocolate? I'm gonna slow mo for them. Oh God. The place reminds me so much of Jamaica, but not so crowded, but like off the tree. A little bit of off the tree, but not so much traffic. But it's cool still. I see Pokemon go there and play. You know, if I look on my, I need to look on the Blackberry Proof.
What you want vlog?
You're educated.
We're going through just vlogging and going through one thing, you don't know. But yeah. So we'll come back, guys. So we're at the party spot right now. Me and Maya reach and things, so we're at the party spot. We get party and things. Alright. We just finished watch Tarzan.
Watch it.
Ready for the vlog. YouTube vlog. Yeah. So we have a YouTube channel. Make vlogs and stuff like that.
I mean, you're not doing your countdown. You're trying to lead that one here.
Look at you pretty.
What do you wait here?
But yeah, we just finished watch Tarzan. It was a blast. We love it, enjoy it. So it's really good.
What a mess, boy, you look.
Check out them sexy diva for the vlog. Hey, turn up. Well, it was good. So I can head home now and think. It's a really nice film. If you guys go to the theater, ensure that you check it out. Give it a 4 star. So I'm going to head home right now back to Long Island because it's after 9 now, so I reach about 11 o'clock. It was really good. I enjoyed my day. See you guys soon. Place lively. A million watt, bitch? I don't know for dancing. A million watt. Set them up, Titi. Alright, stop this. Oh, okay, yeah, that's true. Yeah, me I wanna do.
Boss, you can't walk around the sun.
Yeah, me I take.
Yeah.
Alright, tell them about Maya.
Bye, people. Ciao.
Peace.
Oh my, JVLOGS representing. It was a blast. Enjoy it. Crazy friend Maya.
No, what kind of crazy friend? The good friend Maya.
Good body Maya. Enjoy it to her. That better?
And with China friend Camille.
The Chinese Camille.
With a good hair. Becky with a good hair.
I don't go alone, me. Make you good here. Don't get done in a girl. Come on, mom.
Alright, so thanks for watching JVLOGS. I really enjoyed myself. Hope you guys enjoy it as well. I'm going to head back over to Long Island now, so thanks again. Subscribe and share. Thanks again.